What's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. Meet Huawei's latest Freebuds 3. I've already made videos on Huawei's older generation of Freebuds previously in my channel. In case if you guys didn't check out that video, check that out and come back to this video later so that you guys will see what has improved this time around. Anyway, in this video, let's go ahead and unbox the new Freebuds 3 and check out what's new so that we can see if it is worth it or not. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And let's go ahead and check out Huawei's Freebuds 3. Before anything, let's go ahead and unbox the Huawei Freebuds 3. So I have a sealed package of the Freebuds 3 over here. It mentions the new intelligent sound tagline at the front of the box, and there's a big picture of the Freebuds 3 themselves. At the bottom you can find all the serial numbers and other details. At the back you can find all the specifications and what you can find inside this packaging along with all the certification details. I have the ceramic white version of the Freebuds 3 over here, so let me go ahead and take off this plastic and get the Freebuds 3 out. So we have a sliding package over here, so let me quickly slide it out and open it up to reveal the Freebuds 3. It actually looks pretty neat, packed on top. So let me quickly go ahead and take it out and keep it to the side for just a sec until we finish checking out what else comes inside the box. The next thing that we have here is a leaflet with a QR code to download the Huawei AI Life application to set up the Freebuds 3. I will do that in a bit. Next we have the serial number and all of those details. Let me keep that to the side as well and open up the next pouch, which contains the quick start guide as well as all the other documentation, including the safety information and warranty information. Next, in this small box we have a USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable that we can use to charge up the Freebuds 3. Now let's focus our attention to the Freebuds 3 themselves. So I can go ahead and peel off this plastic and then we can go ahead and witness the Freebuds 3. From the outside it doesn't look that similar to the Apple's Airpods, but opening it up and taking the buds out, it looks quite similar to the Airpods. Let me take out my Huawei Mate 30 Pro and head into the Google Play Store and install the Huawei AI Life application onto this, and then go ahead and set up this device. Once the AI Life application has been installed, now I can go ahead and add a device from here, and now when I go ahead and open up the Freebuds 3, it will say scanning on my phone and a pop-up will come saying it's connecting to the Freebuds 3. As soon as I connect to the Freebuds 3, there is a software update, so I will quickly go ahead and install this software update, which is only 595 kilobytes in size. It actually takes a while for this update to process, but once that has been completed, now I'm successfully connected to the Huawei Freebuds 3, and that's pretty cool. In the application it shows the battery life for each earbud along with the case, and it also has sections for shortcuts as well as noise cancellation. Going into the shortcuts, you can set the double tap left earbud action as well as the double tap right earbud action here, so that's pretty neat, but you only have this option for Android. I hope this customizability will be available for the iPhone soon as well. And then we come to the most important part of these earbuds, the noise cancelling. You can easily go ahead and toggle this on or off from here. If you actually toggle it on, you can even adjust the noise cancelling levels from here, so that's pretty neat. Once in a while it's a good idea to come over here and check out the updates from here as well. As you guys can see, in design these Freebuds 3 look quite similar to Apple's Airpods. If you use a device like the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, then you're gonna really enjoy using the Freebuds 3, because even if the batteries of the Freebuds 3 run out, since you can easily charge it wirelessly, you can turn on the reverse wireless charging on the Mate 30 Pro and then go ahead and charge up the Freebuds 3 using your Mate 30 Pro without much issue. So that's a pretty cool use case if you use this along with your Mate 30 Pro. The Freebuds 3 fit my ear without any issue, and it's a one size fits all design here, and I'm quite okay with it. Having a look at the designs of these Freebuds, the average consumer might even be fooled that they are Airpods because the design is quite similar, because it even has a polished plastic body. However, feature-wise, the Freebuds 3 are quite similar to the Airpods Pros, but at a more affordable price. I've actually been using the Huawei Freebuds 3 for over a month now, and I've been testing it out with some Android phones as well as some iPhones and a Mac. And so far in my experience, I think these Freebuds will fit you really well if you use a Huawei phone, because it even has that convenient pop-up to easily connect to your device so that you don't have to go through a big hassle. However, if you don't have a Huawei device, even if you have an iPhone, you can really still connect to it, but you can't really make the maximum out of it because some features like noise cancellation aren't available for the iPhone. However, since these are headphones, we have to talk about the sound quality. Even though the Freebuds 3 don't create a seal in the ear just like with AirPods Pros, the sound quality actually is quite impressive for the price that it comes in. The volume is quite decent, and I personally like the sound. If you're outdoors in a very noisy environment, that sound might come in even when you're listening to some music, but if you listen to music at a heavy volume, I don't think you will be disturbed that much. If you actually enable the noise cancellation feature, you can get rid of most of that background noise. If you're not used to noise cancellation that much, then you might have a small learning period with the Freebuds 3 to make the maximum out of it. The Freebuds also have other smart things built in, like if you take the earbud out of your ear, the music will stop, and you can use this to make calls as well. The sound quality is quite good. Before concluding my review, let me talk about the battery life here as well, because each earbud has a 30 mAh battery in it, and the case has a 410 mAh battery according to Huawei. In my testing, the buds lasted somewhere around 3 to 4 hours in a single charge. When the noise cancellation was turned off, that time could be expanded a little bit more. Since this case had wireless charging in it, I really didn't have to think much. Whenever the battery was low, I could just place it on top of my wireless charger and get it charged up. I think for people who are looking for more affordable noise cancelling wireless earphones, then the Freebuds 3 might be the one, especially if you use a Huawei phone. If you use a Huawei phone, definitely this is a no-brainer for you to go ahead and pick up, because it's only priced at 35,990 Sri Lankan rupees. I will have the latest pricing details down below in the description, as well as a link for you to go ahead and pick it up. So definitely go ahead and check out that link if you want to get one of these for yourself. Share this video with your friends if you found this video useful, or if you have used Huawei's Freebuds 3, go ahead and drop a comment and share your experience so that we can have a conversation going on about these. At almost 36,000, they are definitely not cheap, but when compared to the AirPods Pros that are sold for somewhere about 50,000 Sri Lankan rupees, the Freebuds 3 look quite good when you consider the price and features that you get with this. Let me know your thoughts and follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. The links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.